Crypto Hotep here with another trading video. This trading video is going to be a quick trade review on crypto Pond, Pond or Marlin is what it's normally referred to. And as always, this trading video, as well as many of my others, are sponsored by the good folks at Coinbase. Coinbase is the platform that I use to trade all my spot crypto here. They have minimal fees, great platform, fantastic name in the crypto game. And honestly, their developers have been nails as of late in terms of the development of the base L2 chain and then also the smart wallet that's coming out as well. So very blessed to have their sponsorship. If you're not familiar with this platform, or maybe this looks different and you're saying, hey, Crypto Hotep, I use um, Coinbase, then go ahead and switch over to Coinbase Advanced just by clicking the Advanced button here. Then you'll be greeted with this platform where you'll have less fees, and you'll be able to do the exact same thing that you're doing on regular Coinbase. Okay, so let's get into the trade. We'll get over to Twitter here to showcase, as I always do, because I keep the receipts. Pond, I was doing charting, and Pond caught my attention because of a couple things. So on May 1st, I said, hey, Pond, feel the imbalance, and testing the waters here with Marlin at 0.0168, multiple touches on downward trend line, and at a pivotal key level for a reversal. I don't mind this risky play here. And I didn't. I didn't mind it at all. And I'll showcase what I'm speaking about right now. So if we're on the chart for Pond, I charted Pond out here and I saw where we were at currently. So going left to right, we started on the daily. I could see here that we broke structure to the upside here. Price was here around May 1st. Around April 30th, it came into this level here. So I started charting. I saw that there was a gap here. Okay, so I marked up my gap or my inefficiency or my imbalance. And again, the imbalance is where the candles do not meet. Okay, so I marked this imbalance. I saw a change of character from the uptrend to now a change of character to the downtrend. Okay, so I did mark that here. As you can see, this low here was broken by this candle, creating a change of character to the downside now. And now, not only that, we have a break of structure to the downside here with this candle. So we have change of character to the downside and a break of structure to the downside. I also drew a downtrend line because I noticed that there were multiple touches in succession here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So again, multiple touches on a trend line. For me, multiple touches on a trend line weakens it. So I like the fact that potentially we could be on our way up. There could be a plan for a reversal. Not only that, we were in a daily buying area. So this daily buying area passed a couple things on my test. It had a gap to the upside here that needed to be filled. Check. We also had a break of structure. Check. We also had liquidity being swept as well. Check. And so I did go down to the 1 hour to see how the 1 hour looked. So here we saw this is potentially where I was looking at on the 1 hour. And I saw that we had a double bottom right here. 1 and 2 right here. Simple double bottom pattern. And not only that, we reclaimed this area, which was 0.017. So we reclaimed this area here with a double bottom. That was enough for me. And I got into this trade right here on this candle. I saw this wick down. Price did not break down further. In fact, this long wick had me really interested, and I got into this trade here. I also did mark up daily selling areas. So because of this break of structure, this bearish candle was responsible for that. So I marked that as a daily selling level, something to be aware of. Then also I did mark this area here as another daily level, as another daily selling level, where it almost, to the downside, it looked like a drop base drop here. So we have a drop in the candle basing, which is right here, and then another drop, and then potentially another basing, and then a drop. So I marked this area as a daily selling area as well. And I wanted to have my target with somewhere that was either in the second daily zone, the daily selling area, and I at least wanted a 2-to-1. Now, because of this great entry that I received here, I was able to get a 2-to-1 with very minimal risk. It was about 2.5-to-1 actually. And one thing that I did do that I didn't mention was on the 1 hour. We can go back to the 1 hour. I scrolled to the left as well. And this was before I noticed the double bottom. And I refined my daily buying area. And that was right here. So this was the candle. Let me just get this a little bit. There we go. So this here was a candle that basically broke structure because it had already had a change of character on the 1 hour. This is the candle that broke structure. It has a gap as well. And we have some liquidity that was being taken as well here. So I felt really good with this 1 hour buying zone. And I placed my market buy order in this area. Another confluence that I had as well, and I have to find this. Give me 1 second. Sorry. 1 second. There we go. Okay. And another confluence that I did have was on with the placement of the 1 hour zone in the daily buying area here. It also corresponded to the 50% mark on the Fibonacci tool as well. So all those in conjunction built up my confluence to take this trade. And this trade was very quick, as you can see. 1, 2, 3, boom, TP was hit. And as you can see, it was a good TP area. Could I have made more? Yes, I could have made more. That's always the case with trading. Because as you can see, liquidity was taken, and then we're back. We're back at I think that's 0.02015. So, and we do have the receipts here as well. Right here, we can go to our handy dandy orders tab here on Coinbase, and we can see, I believe I had 2 orders for Pond, if I'm not mistaken, 2 sell orders after the buy. This is the buy, and these are the 2 sells. I had 2 TPs right here, and right here. So with that being said, all in all, a good trade. As you guys saw probably in my previous video, I added just selling areas and buy areas, as well as breaks of structure and noticing inefficiencies or imbalances to my trading strategy, and just trying to be consistent with that. So with that being said, guys, I hope this video helped. None of this is obviously uh, financial advice at all. Please consult a professional before you go trading. But if you did like the video, please like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you guys want to see. And as always, thank you and happy trading.